Circle is the topic for the day. To come with introduction, what is a circle? We have come across the word circle in many circumstances in real life. A circular wheel, which we talk about, a circular ring is what we have many instances where we have a circular shape. Now we all know that a circle is a round shaped figure. So this is how a circle looks. But how do we define mathematically a circle in a more mathematical sense? Now comes the question here that if I take this is circular, or this is a circle which I have drawn on the board. So what makes me call this as a circle, and why is it taken as a special case in its respective discussion, is the biggest question out here. Now circle has many properties which we come across, which we'll be studying in future, but now let's see what exactly is the mathematical definition of a circle. Now let's see the mathematical definition of a circle. Now imagine I have a circular wheel. Now this is a circular wheel. Now we know that this wheel has all its spokes which are equal in length. So if I take a bullock cart wheel, then in this case I clearly see that each of the sticks which are attached to the end points of the rim of the wheel are equal, that is, they are equidistant, which makes me understand that in order for a perfect circle to be formed, the distance from center to each of the edges of the circle must be same, which is a real life example of a bullock cart wheel which we have seen. So therefore this concept of a wheel having equal sticks from the center to the rim of the wheel is what defines the equation, or defines the circle in the mathematical sense. So the same bullock cart wheel which I take in the form of defining a circle, I say that the set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. That is, if I take this as the fixed point, then each of the points on the rim are equidistant, as can be seen out here. Therefore, any point I take from the fixed point to this, to this, to this, or this are equidistant. Therefore, in the mathematical sense, I define a circle as the set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point, which is called the center of the circle. So defining is set of points equidistant from a fixed point is what I define a circle. So in mathematical sense, a circle is the set of points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point, as can be seen here with a more real life example of a bullock cart wheel. And the fixed point is called the center, and equidistant, the distance, is called the radius. The two important concepts of a circle are center and radius, which are defined from the mathematical definition of a circle. Now, therefore, for a circle with a fixed point which is equidistant to any of the rim or the circumference of circle, this fixed point is called center of circle, and the distance is called radius of circle, which comes out to be this. So the center is the fixed point here, and the distance here is called radius of circle. Therefore, center and radius define a circle in the mathematical sense of understanding, as can be seen here. Now let's see how we can derive for equation of a circle. Now let's see the equation of a circle. Now that we have defined a circle in the mathematical sense, the next question which comes is, what will be the equation of a circle? As for example, if I take x-axis, y-axis and origin, I take a straight line, then I know that this straight line has the equation y equals mx plus c, is how we understand. Now similarly, when I take x, y and this, if I take a parabola, then I know that this has a parabolic equation y equal to x squared. So different shapes have different equations, like a straight line is given by this equation and a parabola is given by this equation. Now comes the biggest question: if I have a circle which is in the form of this, then what will be the equation of this circle is the biggest question out here. So we are going to discuss now on what would be the equation of circle in xy coordinate system in its different form. Now let's see the standard form of equation of circle. Initially, what is the standard form? If I take the circle with center as origin, then we call that as a circle in standard form. That is, if I have an xy coordinate system where the circle is exactly at the center of the origin, then in this case, if my radius is r, then in this case a circle with center as origin and radius as some r is given by the equation of circle is given by x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Is called standard form of equation of circle. So this called the standard form, where if I have a circle with center as origin and radius as r, then equation of circle is given by x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, the standard form of circle.